This video will highlight the new Tekla Structural Designer 2018 to Tekla Tedds 2018 Timber Design link. Tekla Structural Designer can design the steel and concrete elements. Timber elements are shown as unknown. To design timber elements, a design using Tekla Tedds command has been added to utilize Tekla Tedds 2018's timber member design calculation. The design using Tekla Tedds command is only shown if the fabrication type is timber, the linearity is straight and the head code is Eurocode. The section depth, breadth, number of sections and material grade properties are transferred to the Tedds calculation. An analysis and design needs to be up to date as the maximum shear, moment and axial tension or compression found from all load cases, combinations or envelopes are transferred. It is important to note that if both axial tension and compression is present, the largest force is used. The Tedds calculation will open and you can review and edit all the input values. You can then complete the design of the timber element. Upon clicking Finish, the updated depth, breadth, number of sections and material grade are automatically updated in Tekla Structural Designer. If any of these properties are not found in the Tekla Structural Designer database, then a new custom section or material will be created. We will repeat the design using Tekla Tedds command to also design a typical timber rafter. Analysis results need to be up to date to pass the forces to the Tedds calculation. In addition to the returned section sizes and material properties, the Tedds calculation output is also returned. The Tedds output is saved as a rich text format document and embedded into the Tekla Structural Designer model file UDA property. You can use Show All to state, UDA, Tedds output file, to see which elements have a Tedds calculation output file attached to them. You can click on the element to open the embedded calculation in your default rich text format document editor. Should any changes occur to the model file, for example, changes to the timber section, material property of design forces within Tekla Structural Designer, then the manual process would need to be repeated to ensure that the attached calculation file is up to date.